we want to solve the simultaneous equations x squared plus y squared is equal to 17 and x plus y is equal to 3. Let's call x squared plus y squared is equal to 17 equation 1 and x plus y is equal to 3 equation 2. If we look at equation 1, this is a quadratic equation. We can recognize quadratic equations as they'll contain x squared, y squared, or possibly xy. They may contain 1, 2, or all 3 of these terms. The second equation is a linear equation. It doesn't contain the terms x squared, y squared, or xy. A linear equation can always be rearranged into the form y equals mx plus c. The method we use is always the same. Start with the linear equation. We rearrange it to make one of the letters the subject. In this case, subtracting x from both sides gives y is equal to 3 minus x. We then take this and substitute into the quadratic equation. We have x squared plus y squared, but the y squared will become 3 minus x all squared. And this is equal to 17. Note what we've done here. This equation is this equation. The y has been replaced by the 3 minus x. So we have x squared, and squaring the bracket, we could use any method. We get 9, take away 6x, plus x squared is equal to 17. Expanding out the bracket, we have x squared plus 9 take away 6x plus x squared is equal to 17. We can now tidy. X squared plus x squared gives 2x squared. We then have plus 9 take away 6x is equal to 17. Tidying and rearranging, we have 2x squared take away 6x, and taking 17 from both sides gives minus 8 is equal to 0. We have a quadratic equation and we have a common factor of 2 throughout, so dividing by 2 gives x squared minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. We can factorize this quadratic into 2 brackets. We have x and x, 4 and 1, and minus 4 plus 1 gives us the minus 3. This gives us x is 4, and this gives us x is minus 1. To find corresponding values of y, it's best to go back to here. If x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3 take away 4, which is minus 1. If x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to 3 take away minus 1. This becomes 3 plus 1, which is 4. So we have two solutions. We have x is 4 and y is minus 1, or we have x is minus 1 and y is 4.